A forest can literally change the sky, but not in the way you think. Some reforested areas start pumping out tiny plant vapors that drift upward, so they thicken into bright, puffy clouds that weren't there before. Which means a patch of trees can cool damaged land not just from the ground, but from thousands of feet above it. And that's why scientists rebuilding burned or eroded zones sometimes track cloud cover as closely as soil health, because the sky becomes proof the ecosystem is knitting itself back together. So the strangest sign of success isn't a sprouting seedling at all, but a brand new, tree-made cloud floating overhead. And that's why reforestation looks quiet on the ground but loud in the atmosphere. So tap like, drop a comment, and follow for more wild stories hiding in plain sight.